just a dime. I don't want to specifically put out like something plain. Hey guys, what's up y'all? Welcome to a new vlog. This is the beginning of a new vlog. I don't know if this place is like dark, but let's manage it, okay? So in this vlog, I'm just going to basically take you guys through my weekend. I just returned from work. By the way, if you are new to my channel, I'm Jubilee Owofasa and I am a YouTuber, as you can see, and you're welcome to a weekend vlog. So in this vlog, basically we are going to this place looks more brighter. This is evening, but everywhere is bright. So in this vlog, we are basically going to be taking you guys around my evening, what it looks like. I just returned from work, like I said earlier, but I have work to do at home, and that means scripting down YouTube videos this evening. Okay, so I just want to take you guys along with me. By the way, I braided my hair last week. Yeah, so I've joined the all cornrows gang, period. I am trying to get back on track with YouTube. I do not want to specifically put out a date where I will upload video. I just want to do it and keep doing it so that I can be able to, come back. My hands are already paining me. So I can be able to come back to you guys and drop content like a bomb. If you didn't get to know about my last channel update, please go check out my last video. Expect business management content from me. Management content from me, and entrepreneurial videos and vlogs like this every weekend. So let me not blab too much. Let's just get right into the vlog. The lights everywhere is basically dark in this house, but I'm going to try as much as possible to give you guys a vlog. Please manage it. I can't set up a ring light because I am just returning from work, like I said earlier. By the way, look here, girl is back in another vlog. Guys, I just wanted to show you guys my watermelon. This watermelon has been eaten and eaten up, but this is the remaining one, so I just have to taking my watermelon. Then the next thing we will be doing is to go and freshen up. Okay, so yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot that this is how some people like do their vlogs. Legit. Yeah, almost dry, but it has not dried. I just want to rinse this thing I used to eat. Let me just do that. Let me, oh gosh, the instability of this light in this video. I want to keep the plates back. I want to keep the plates back. All these ones are for editing. Freshen up, because not be me dirty pass for this word. So I want to freshen up before I get my hand laid on whatever I want to do today. I don't know, the way I'm seeing it, if this vlog decides to end only this evening, no wahala, I'll just title it an evening vlog in my life, period, because I don't want it to be too long. And my day tomorrow is going to be basically my normal day. So let's just see if this clip gets up to 15 minutes, editing this night and uploading tomorrow unfailingly. So now you guys are getting like clip back to back of what is happening currently, okay? Before we start doing all these our pre-filming things. So I don't know why this flashlight is on. Anyways, how many of you guys brush before you sleep? Let me know in the comment section. I'm not saying anything at this point. So my hands are a bit slippery, but slippery. But you guys, I just had my bath. Basically, I don't fancy doing those vlogs where you're bathing and water is on your body and all that. I don't do that. So, if that was what you were expecting, then I seriously apologize. But I just finished having my bath. I want to echo it. I don't have skincare, so I don't do skincare. Do I have to say? Yes, because some people will ask, but I do not do skincare. I do not have a skincare. Just my cream and that's all. But I don't just over rub the cream in the evening. It's only when I want to go out. Okay? So I guess dinner is ready. Let me go and check so that we can eat, rest, and then get straight right into it. Since I do not have anything that I'm doing now, it's not YouTube and tailoring. Let's go. Okay, so dinner is served. All this nigga got do is shop and shop. So yeah, I'm about to devour this meal. You guys, hunger won't finish me, not be play. Let me go and eat. Make I go shop before I update you guys. I'm disturbing some people, so I have to go and eat now. Okay, later. So. Come and eat with me, you guys. I'm not selfish. Turning boys against girls just because there's a he and she. So hi guys, good morning you guys. Welcome to the vlog. I'm not even starting. I'm not starting a new vlog. Pardon me. So for yesterday, I hope you guys had a good night rest. For yesterday, uh today is Saturday, and I forgot totally to update you guys. But let's be honest, I didn't even do my calculations and do the YouTube research like I wanted to do. I didn't know when sleep just took me off, and I slept off, and I opened my eyes and I saw myself in Saturday. So yeah, we are just going to go with the flow. Basically, we'll just go with the flow. So I just opened my eyes and I saw myself in Saturday, but it's all good. All right. So you guys, today I'm just going to be doing my normal chores. Then I have to calculate for stuffs, like calculate for the the business stuff, my business stuff. If you do not know, I'm currently selling chinchin, so you go and patronize me if you wish. So I will be calculating for my business stuff today, and then just do some little things and also film a YouTube video, my first ever entrepreneurship video, because yeah, I changed my niche. I tried to niche down, so I'll be doing videos concerning business management and entrepreneurship. So I just hope you guys enjoy what is coming. Yeah, so let's just get right into it. I wouldn't be taking you guys through the cleaning part because it's going to be so boring. I have a whole clean video raw Saturday vlog on the channel, so I just felt like there's no need for that. So without talking too much, I'll just do my cleaning work and then I'll see you guys when I'm done with the cleaning. Just basically get straight into the what we're going to do for today. I'm a very boring person. I don't have anything going on in my life, so yeah, I said it. So that is why I said it's not going to be as interesting as you want it to be, but yeah, you guys. So you guys, I want to start cleaning because it's more like home alone at the moment. I'm home alone, and yeah, basically. So you guys, I don't know if I should do this cleaning vlog with you all, but let's just get straight. No, sorry. Before I clean, I want to just eat. There's one small rice in the pot, a follow-up price of yesterday. So I just want to eat that one first, and yeah, I will get in touch with you guys. So you look crazy. Oh, you like, oh, don't waste my time. Yo, you're amazing. I realize love don't cost a dime. Best in you feel best in me. Only you bring out the best in me. Loving you will be my destiny. Oh no. So this is what I'm eating this one. Like I said, it's a full of rice. So yeah, if you eat full of rice, that's the conversation because can't waste. Thank you. So you guys, I just love all the angles of this house. Like there is literally natural lighting. I'm loving it. I want to go and charge this phone so it can allow me to vlog very well. So I'll see you guys when I'm done eating, okay? And with the chores. I'm done mopping the house already. As you can see, I'll just wait for it to dry a little bit. But first of all, let me go and wash the plates. So we have Jesus. I've been recording without playing. Okay, so these are the plates here. I can literally count them. Okay, I can count them. So all I just do is, this is the sink. I just put this bowl here, then put my soap on the tap for the water to run, and wash and put it in this part of the sink. That's how I wash basically. Let's go inside and go and arrange the plates, and then I'll sweep the compound. Then I'm done with all the chores I have for today, and we'll start prepping for to film the video. So guys, I just literally remembered that I have to okay, so I just remembered that I have to clean this cabinet and then the gas cooker. So I'll do that. I'll be back in a few. So this is it. I don't understand this thing. No, battery is down and the flashlight is on. So this is it. Done cleaning the gas versus the. So guys, I want to film content this evening. This is currently, I think it's past 7. So I want to film my first ever entrepreneurship content, you guys. So I'm basically preparing for it. I just have my bath and I just want to get my lips done and do the video. It's content time. For my video to just have like something plain that will blend with the video, and I hope this vibe is okay. So we just get right into this. Guys, I just finished filming my entrepreneurship video, and I think that is where I will wrap up this vlog. I just felt like, okay, let me just update you guys. So the entrepreneurship video will go down before this vlog. I remember saying yesterday that I'm going to upload the vlog today, but I just couldn't. But we are done with our entrepreneurship video, and the entrepreneurship video is going down tomorrow. So please watch it. It's helpful to all business owners, I assure you. Don't let no one deceive you. These tips I gave are helpful to business owners. be it small or big. So please go check out my channel, hit like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Thank you for watching this vlog, and I hope it was worth your watch. You all know I talk a bit too much in my vlogs. Yes, I talk. I really don't show much because there is no much things to show, but when there is, I will definitely show you guys. So let me see if I can be able to make like a short video or something for my updated video, my new video. Bye you guys, love you.